Good day. This is Alex from Internet Code. So in today's reviews, there's a new product by BD it's called Omega. So basically, Omega is first Telegram's traffic app, right? Okay, but there are many apps have been launched, but nothing have been launched about Telegram. How you can actually drive traffic for Telegram. So this app is actually to leverage or to tap into the Telegram's audience. I think that is one of the so-called a pool of something have been now been utilized about the Telegram's group of people. Okay, right. So if you go to the sales page here before I have a look into this here. So I said this was the first Telegram traffic app get you unlimited free buyer traffic in 10 seconds, right? So they have done testing and they have made actually over 30,000 with this Omega, right? And these are some of the testimonial here and only 2 steps to follow, right? Okay? So this BD is a creator of this product, right? Then and yeah, no time attempt to go through every single detail of this, and this is about how people is getting in front of the 127 buyer every 10 seconds, right? Okay, so this is how they can actually integrate with the Telegram platform to reach out to this Telegram group of people, right? To actually to promote any of the product to them, or it could be affiliate, it could be CPA or high ticket product, anything, right? So there's something we can also one of the additional traffic shop we can actually tap into that. So let's have a look into what are the bonuses that come together, right? Okay, right. And the front end is only $17, right? So it's really affordable, right? And there's a couple of audio here. You can have a look into here also upsell. There's unlimited edition, some multiple template, and I will suggest you to buy both the front end together with this unlimited edition. Run for you editions, automated edition, and run for you template club also, right? So the others could be optional, but I think upsell one is actually necessary for you to also buy together with the fund and to help you enjoy the maximum benefit of this Telegram traffic app. So this is some of the bonus package I have prepared with this Omega, right? So if you buy Omega front end together with any OTO, you're going to get my special bonus here. DIY money, this 50,000 make money on that subscriber can log into your autoresponder and my own product. IMPLR access to 6,000 PL ebook and also video, right? Okay. You can actually sell all this PLR ebook and video as you like. Okay, Skype. So you just want to buy the front end and going to get my one-on-one Skype coaching. In fact, this is only limited the first 20%. So please take fast action if you would like me to be give you an advisor in during as part of this Skype coaching. Bonus 2 traffic app. How to drive free traffic from top 3 social media giant and 50 free traffic method. Okay. I've disclosed here in this bonus, and also the pay underground traffic source, so you can learn here, right? And also the best TikTok traffic at Nova, and Java commission for the best Instagram traffic app, right? And we had the best Twitter traffic app, but right now you can use it in together with Telegram traffic app to get you the best result, and it's a Twitter traffic app, right? And it's a social marketing tools. This cloud app can use it to auto post, schedule Instagram posts along with Facebook and Twitter. And we have this video library giveaway, 250 video. You can use it to promote your blog site, giveaway for engagement, etc. And also audio wizard, right? And you can create your own audio track easily with this audio wizard and come with this seller like also, right? And exclusive this building training with 100 free solo app, right? And by the end you can have 100 free solo app, right? On YouTube Hack 2021 and YouTube channel SEO. Another two bonuses you can use to actually rank your YouTube videos and channel high ticket system, how to make high ticket commission, selling high tickets put that. And Super Affiliate Funnel, this is three of the best affiliate software. You can use it to make money, right? Using this Super Affiliate software funnel, right? Okay, right? So it comes with this seller, right? Then X tools are 50 SEO tool on the cloud app. Right? They can product launch attack. Product launch attack is how you want to get the JV's partner and make the best of your launch, right? And email search, how you can actually increase the open rate and CTR of your email, and 250 funnel drag and drop funnel builder here. Okay, VidSpark is a video creation cloud app, and we saw which other traffic cloud app, and we saw affiliate store builder here. Okay, and free training how to make money without you selling anything. 100 giveaway, and in this 100 giveaway, you're going to have video ebook software template. You can use it to give away as a lead manner, right? Okay, it can vendor as well, like, okay. So there's some vendor bonuses that come together as part of these omegas, right? You can have a look into what BD is going to give you, right? It's a flex figure toolbox, Omega ITM's K100 time, and live one-on-one support, and $100 in cash and 10 times your money. Win a MacBook Air. Also, all these bonuses, right? You can actually be part of this vendor, and all the bonuses you're going to get as you think after you purchase in the Wada Plus area. And there are another 10 exclusive bonus I prepare for you. YouTube view case study, how to find cross high paying client, and Wada traffic cloud app, and also YouTube without showing your face, and 16,000 lead case study, personal branding blueprint, and storytelling marketing, Pinterest profile, and buyer trigger the seller. Also, Facebook app secret, everyone scaling everything. So more than 150 pieces of bonuses you're going to get as part of this purchase here. All can be actually easily downloadable from the Wada Plus area. So that's it for my about my bonus package. Just quickly go through to the app itself. So when you log in here, this is what you're going to see. So on the left hand side, you can actually search for they will list now all the hot selling new launch product from Wada Plus, and you can also have the JV Juice deal. Okay. So when you click the link, will be actually bring you to the affiliate, to get you to join the affiliate page, right? Okay, when you click the deal, right? Yeah. Also, then when you this is just for you to research. This tool is for you to research which is the best product for you to promote into the Telegram group, right? And we have the creator. Okay, creator is here is where you create all these different promotion material. All these have the preloaded template. You can actually easily customize the text, the images, everything, right? Okay, and all this is also you can use it as a promotional template to create a promotional material. All this you can later you can actually share it close to the Telegram also, right? So you can create whichever using the different template for different region. You can create your promotions banners, right? Or add this graphic, right? Okay, then this animation graphic. This is going to actually use it. We can actually send it to the this so-called Telegram group later, right? So they can easily so they will get extracted, and they will actually make a purchase based on what you're going to offer. So this is also the download area is going to download all these different things. You can edit all these things, and again, so you can also edit this different thing promotion, okay. And this is where the power will come in. Telegram automation, this way how you automate this Telegram using this Telegram automation. This is a core of this app itself. We can actually search for the keyword. So you can search for a certain keyword. Let's say you want to search for keyword because people in Instagram, they like to post questions, right? So you can search for using this app to connect to the platform, and you can search for the keyword. Search to all the different spaces in the Telegram group based on certain keyword, and you can reply to those people accordingly. And when you reply, you can paste the link, right? And of any of the deal or offer or affiliate links into the auto reply, right? Okay, so there's a whole idea here. Okay, I think this it can actually also say this is a can also search for the group and channel in this Instagram, the subscriber, right? Okay, you can search for a subscriber, you can maintain a subscriber history, phone number, email addresses, all these log. Okay, so this is how basically how this Telegram in it automation will work. There will be a video training inside how you can actually set everything up, right? So don't worry about that. This is just a demo version, right? So also there is a tutorial you can see here. The tutorial will actually teach you how you can do everything such a deal, create the images, try connect the Telegram API, how you can connect the Telegram API here, and how to you can set up all the automation. You can even do also share selling to the link, not just to the Telegram group. You can also share the your promotional your offer to other social media, which is come together. So there are other traffic sources from the social traffic source you can actually share, okay, apart from the Telegram. So everything can be easily set up by watching through all this video trainings, okay. It's part of this dashboard. Also there's a bonuses here, you can claim a bonus here. Upgrade is support here. So everything can be easily done using this, and definitely this one of Telegram is one of the unfound, or people not many people have thought about using Telegram as a source of traffic, but Manila have done this, right? So definitely you should give yourself a try for a $17 only and giving bundle you all this kind of bonuses. Definitely this is no joke, right? And I strongly encourage you to buy the front end together with the OTO, the upgrade one, so you can make the maximum use of this app to get the maximum traffic audience from the Instagram, from this Telegram's group, right? Okay, right. So that's it for today. And that fast section, click the link below this video and may come to my review page. Just click any of this orange button here, and it will bring you to this Telegram's sales page, and just make a purchase of the Telegram. Then you are good to grab all my bonuses, and together also you will have the access to this Omega app, right? Okay, and I wish you all the best for your online business, and definitely this is something you should try out, and it bring you bring your success to the next level, right? Thank you, and have a nice day. Bye bye.